Kids' diet and health is even more important now as pandemic COVID-19 is going on. Well, as a parent, do you still get confused which diet for kids should be followed? Whether it should be a balanced diet, gluten-free diet, plant-based diet, Mediterranean diet, paleo diet or a Whole30? This is Tea Doctor and Healthy Living, and in today's episode I am going to talk all about kids' diet and health. Before starting with this video, do hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am posting such informative videos for your health knowledge. Well, according to CDC guideline, children aged 2 years and older should be trained from the very beginning to follow a healthy eating pattern that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, variety of whole grains, oils, fat-free and low-fat dairy products, avoiding solid fats like trans fatty acids and saturated fatty acids, avoiding empty calories from junk food, taking plenty of water and incorporating any physical activity as a daily routine. Well, using my plate as a guide, a dedicated child's plate should be having 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% whole grains and the remaining 25% protein-rich food. So what are the foods that can be incorporated in kids' diet during COVID-19? A cheesy veg quinoa or upma quinoa. Besides being a gluten-free diet, this pseudo cereal serves as an excellent breakfast and a perfect snack in the evening for the kids. It's being rich in protein, fiber, thiamine, copper. This superfood is an excellent source of phosphorus, magnesium and folate. Yogurt, besides delivering probiotic, it's an excellent source of protein and vitamin D, a key nutrient that many kids lack in their diet. Beans are a humble superfood. They are a rich source of protein and fiber. Well, as a parent, do you know how much fiber a 4 to 8-year-old kid actually needs? Well, if your answer is yes or no, do comment below in the comment section. Well, a 4 to 8-year-old kid needs at least 25 grams of fiber as per recommended dietary allowance. And why not? Fiber not only keeps the tummy of the child fuller for a longer period of time, but is considered a heart-healthy food, keeps a check on their weight. Kids love eggs, be it scrambled egg or hard-boiled egg. On an average, a large egg contains 6 grams of protein, besides containing vitamin D, B12 and iron. Each color delivers different nutrients. Kale and spinach, green in color, they are rich source of vitamin K. Cabbage and cauliflower, they are rich source of anti-cancer compounds. Bell pepper, they are rich source of vitamin C. Orange and red color foods, they are rich source of beta-carotene, antioxidants. Children, they are attracted towards variety of shapes and sizes of foods. Eatable roti made out of spinach is green in color. Fried rice when tossed with turmeric powder and veggies, this greenish yellow color combination can be very enticing for the kids. Nuts and seeds, they are a healthful try of protein, fiber and essential fats. They are rich source of magnesium, which is involved in bone development and energy production. Groundnut is still considered the world's most healthiest food, rich in polyphenols, vitamin B and amino acids. If the child has a true nut allergy, then seeds, they are a fantastic option. Chia seed, flaxseed and sesame seeds, they are rich source of alpha linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce. So it has to be obtained from the diet. So what better than these seeds? A Mediterranean diet follower incorporates a couple of servings of seafood like fish. Fish is not just a high quality protein diet, but it's also a rich source of vitamin D, iodine. Even scientists have proved that it is a heart healthy, brain food and improves vision. We should also try to become a healthy eating role model for the kids as kids try to emulate us. There should not be any food which is forced on kids, as researchers have also proven that kids tend to dislike that very food on growing up, which they were forced to eat during their childhood. On the contrary, there should be at least one dish on the dining table which is child's favorite, just as a positive reinforcement or as an award for at least trying to follow my plate type of diet. These small awards helps in cementing child's behavior and train them to follow the same pattern again. Well, a mealtime should always be a family affair. It not only helps in strengthening the family bond, but also allows you to model healthy eating pattern young children. Well, last but not the least, a balanced diet is still considered the best option for kids' growth and development. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Do comment, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. And above all, take best care of your health and follow hand hygiene and mask etiquette. Thank you for watching this video.